Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The compound is CH2 is equal to C, CH3, ChO3. This is an ester where the acid part contains a double bond and a methyl substituent, and the alcohol part is methanol, methoxy group. Moving on to the next step. Identify the parent chain for IUPAC naming. The longest carbon chain containing both the double bond and the principal characteristic group, ester carboxylic acid, is selected. The carboxylate group, ChO3, contributes 1 carbon, and the chain CH2 is equal to C contributes to more carbons, giving a 3-carbon prop chain total. Moving on to the next step. The parent acid chain is propanoic acid, prop-2-enoic acid. The double bond is between C2 and C3, using the carboxylate carbon as C1, making it prop-2-enote. There is a methyl substituent at C2 making it 2-methylprop-2-enote. And for the final step, the OCH3 group means the ester is a methyl ester, so the prefix is methyl. The full IUPAC name is Methyl-2-methylprop-2-enote. This is actually the systematic name for methyl methacrylate. A Methyl-2-methylprop-1-en-3-oate incorrectly numbers the double bond as 1 and places the carbonyl at position 3, which is inconsistent with lowest locant rules for principal characteristic groups. B. 2-methoxycarbonyl-propane uses substitutive nomenclature for the methoxycarbonyl group but is not the preferred IUPAC ester name format. C. 2-methoxycarbonyl-prop-2-en similarly uses substitutive nomenclature and is not the retained IUPAC ester name. D. Methyl-2-methylprop-2-enote correctly names it as the methyl ester of 2-methylprop-2-enoic acid, following IUPAC ester naming conventions. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.